To perform this pose, lie on the back with your palm against the wall, or as close to the wall as possible, with the legs raised straight up the wall, hip distance apart. Feel free to prop the palm up on a pillow, particularly if you are pregnant. The soles of the feet should be facing upward toward the ceiling, and the arms should be placed beside you for balance. The amount of stiffness in the hips determines how close to the wall your legs are. Ideally, they will be touching the wall, but it might take a while for you to get there. So, what are the benefits? 1. Increases blood flow and decreases inflammation. This pose increases blood flow and circulation, particularly after a day of sitting or standing for an extended period of time. It reduces swellings as well, especially swellings in the feet, ankles, and claws. 2. Improves hamstring mobility and reduces lower back pain. This pose stretches out the hamstrings, which often become shortened as a result of sitting at a desk all day, causing lower back pain. By performing this pose, you will relieve the pressure on the lower back, relieve pain, and improve hamstring mobility. 3. Reduces stress and stimulates relaxation as it alleviates pain and increases blood flow. This pose also relaxes you. The stimulation of the nerve system brings you into a more relaxed and calmer state. Hence, it also induces sleep and allows you to get a better night's sleep. This is very simple home stretch to perform. Try it and you will feel the difference by doing it just once. If you like the stretch and the feeling it gives, then do this every day for 5 minutes at first. Then slowly increase the duration where you can comfortably do this for 30 minutes. The benefits of doing this are enormous, and if you suffer from any back pain, it will be cured by this stretch.